In the previous two episodes, I have shown you what exactly prop firm is, how to register your account on a prop firm, and how to buy an account on a prop firm and start trading with their money, not your own money. So in this video, I'll be sharing you the most common mistakes which people make so that they fail the prop firm challenge and they don't get funded. So I'll be telling you how to avoid those mistakes and get funded with a prop firm challenge. So most people fail to clear a prop firm challenge not because of their trading strategy nor because of their trading skills. It's because of the trading rule mistakes which they do or which they don't notice while using a prop firm account. So each prop firm have a different set of rules, and if you don't follow that rules, you won't be able to pass the challenge, and if you don't pass the challenge, you won't be getting funded. So I'll be breaking it down, the mistakes which you should be avoiding so that you can pass your prop firm challenge quickly and get funded. And once you get funded, that's where you're going to trade from their money and you can make profits, withdraw the profits, and keep the money which you have made using your trading skill. So before starting today's video, let me tell you, I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes, and make sure you consult your own financial advisor before you invest any of your funds to the market, because cryptocurrency and other markets are subjected to risk. So make sure you consult your financial advisor before investing into the markets. So now let me point down one by one the mistakes which are commonly done by the users. So if you know these mistakes, you can avoid that and you can pass the challenge quickly. So the first and the most common mistake is over trading to hit the targets. So avoid this common mistake of over trading. Stick to your one strategy which you have and make sure you take one or two trade according to that particular strategy. Don't chase the market emotionally. So stick to one strategy and don't over trade. So I personally use this particular strategy. I take down only one trade per day, which is according to my strategy. So one trade per day is enough to hit my targets. Overconfidence will ruin the challenges which you need to face. So second most common mistake while trading a prop firm is not understanding the daily drawdown and the max drawdown. So if you hit a daily drawdown or max drawdown, your account will be blown. So whatever profit you have made the previous day, whatever efforts you have put in, everything will be going in vain if you don't understand the daily drawdown and the max drawdown which are there in the prop firm account. So I'll be showing you with an example. So right now here I'm in the Supertrade prop firm account, and here there are multiple options. I'll be taking an example of 10,000 US dollars. As you can see here, for 10,000 US dollars, the daily drawdown is 7%, that is $700, and the max overall drawdown is also 7%. That means you cannot make loss more than $700 per day, and the overall also is $700. For example, if I make a loss of $600 today, that is 6%. Tomorrow again I have one more chance of making profit and the drawdown still remains at the 7%. So make sure you do utilize this, and also keep in mind the drawdowns, because if the drawdowns are hit, that means if you make a loss of $700, your account will be blown. The profit target is just 6%, which is $600, and once you come to the live account, the daily drawdown comes to 5% and the overall drawdown comes to 10%. This is a very important thing for you to notice, and they are giving you such a freedom for you to trade, which makes your trading journey easy once you come to the live account. So this is why I use a structured prop firms like Supertrade, where they make the drawdown rules very clear and they force discipline into the users so that they stay disciplined and trade accordingly. So this was the second mistake which people do. The third mistake which I'm going to tell you is also very important for you to understand. Third mistake which people usually do is trading every session. If there is low volatility, they trade. If there is no volume, they trade. If there is no setup today, they even take a trade. They have no discipline in the trading journal. So not taking a trade is also a very good trading decision. If your setup is not met, you need not to take the trade. If the market condition is not right, you need not to take the trade. You have to have that discipline. You have to have that patience so that you can grow your account and make money using the trading. And the fourth mistake which people do is change their strategy commonly or usually. So stick to one particular strategy, understand it completely. Don't move in and out of your strategy and don't keep chasing different strategies. Look into one strategy, you have to experiment it completely, understand your strategy completely, and then keep on practicing, then keep on taking trades on it, keep on using that single particular strategy until you are completely strong with that, until you have complete knowledge about your strategy. You are not going to make money. So this is very important for you to understand. Don't keep on switching different strategies, stick to one, keep proper journal, understand the market, what happened, what went wrong. You have to have proper journal, then only you will be going and learning and you can make money in the market. So this was the fourth mistake which people do. The fifth mistake which people usually think and neglect is they usually treat the capital which they get from prop firm as not their own money. So you should be treating it as your own money. If you treat that way, then only you will be having that respect to that particular money, and you will be sticking to your strategy. If you don't treat it as your money, you will be gambling, you will be spending money recklessly, and you will be blowing your account. So make sure you treat the prop firm money as your own money, then only you will be able to be disciplined. And this is why I'm comfortable trading with Supertrade, because their rules only reward disciplined traders who stick to their rules. And if you are someone who are trading with proper rules and who are sticking to their discipline, prop firm like this are needed for you so that you can grow your money and you can start earning through trading. And don't worry about the mistakes. If you have blown your account with any of the top mentioned mistakes, tell me in the comment section what mistakes you have done. If there are new mistakes which you can find which you have done, you can also mention in the comment section so that people can be aware to avoid these mistakes, to clear the prop firm account and start trading with the live account. So don't worry, mistakes happen. The main thing you have to worry is if you don't learn from your mistakes. So keep learning, and you can only earn once you have proper knowledge. So don't forget to keep on learning, learn from your previous mistakes, learn as much new knowledge you can get in the market, and also mainly stick to one particular strategy. And once you master your own strategy, you need not to listen out to any of the noise outside. You need not to copy any of other strategy, any of other signals. Once you stick into that, you're going to hopefully make a really good amount of money. Best wishes for all those who are starting their journey in the prop firm account, and all the best wishes and good lucks from our side as well. So we have made a series of episodes for you guys. So if you haven't watched the episode 1 and episode 2, make sure you watch it. If you are a beginner or if you are an experienced trader, those episodes will clear a lot of your doubts. Those episodes will give you a lot of knowledge regarding trading a prop firm account. And there are going to be new episodes coming up where we'll be showing you how to connect your account to MT5, how to connect your Supertrade account to MT5 and start trading. I personally will be also starting trading live, and I'll be showing you how I manage my risk, how I stick to my discipline, where I take which positions I take at what time frame. Everything will be explained in the upcoming videos. So stay connected with us, and all the links related to Supertrade, the prop firm account which I personally trade, will be in the description. If you watch the previous video, you'll be also going to get 20% additional discounts. A lot of discounts are also shown in that particular videos, so don't forget to watch that. It will be in the description. You can click on the I button also and get the information regarding that particular video. So that's all for today's video, guys. I'll be meeting you in the next one. Until then, take care. Goodbye.